Here's the cheapest way to park your vehicle and get to the airport in San Antonio. You want to go to the new Stone Oak Park and Ride. It's at 22139 US 281 in San Antonio. You're going to park in their brand new facility. It has special exits from 281 to get you into the facility. There's security guards, cameras, someone in the office to answer questions and help you download the app and all that stuff. The only downside to it, they have stairs. If you're carrying a lot of bags, keep that in mind if you're parked on the top level where they ask you to park for this particular service. But otherwise, it's great. So while you're waiting for the bus to get there, they come every few minutes. Download the app. Here's what it looks like. Open the app up. You're going to look for buy tickets. Click on that. Unless you qualify for reduced fare, click on the full fare, which is $2.60. You're going to click that green button once you get to the bus. When he pulls up, click it, get on board. Check this out. Nobody else is on the bus with me. This is insane. There were only 5 vehicles in the garage. Nobody on the bus. They're going to drop you off at the airport and you're good to go.